so I am back. I'm back, and I'm back with this look. Something a little different, maybe. I kind of feel like I did something. It kind of looks similar to something I did already, but this time I did like a cut crease. I did do like the same bottom, but I did it a little bit different. It's like an ombre. It's like two different colors. So yeah, so this was like a look I filmed on Instagram. I felt inspired by it. I wanted this yellow to be a lot brighter, I will say. I want it to be like a neon. I want to do a neon look, but like every shadow that I get that says it's neon or whatever, it just, the color payoff ain't there. Like, it's just not there. So this was supposed to be green, but I went ahead and just colored it up with a yellow or whatever. So this is what we got. But I hope y'all like it. I miss y'all. I do. I really do. But yeah, this is what y'all got for spring. This is my spring look for spring. Today is the first day of spring. It is March 20th. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Trineelynette. Let's get into this. Can't believe it, I lost my glitter. Don't have any glitter, and I want to do a glitter look today. I got the paint pot. I ain't used this in years. Take it back, I ain't gonna say years, but I haven't used it in a while. Like this look, it's kind of like dried out. Y'all see how it's like disconnected from the rim? Does that mean it's expired? Does it? Let's see if it's expired. Yeah, probably. I'm pretty sure this has expired, but I don't see an expiration date. Let's try a cut crease because I think I'm gonna do a cut crease today. So we're gonna do that. I have exfoliated my lips already. She's nice and soft for some lipstick. I am gonna put some lip plumper on because I just want to be extra. I'm not even gonna lie. And I like to do it around the edges. Pretty much where I wanted to start plumping. So, not doing it all over the lips. Just where I wanted to start. So, we're going to do a cut crease. We're going to do something. I want to try to do something bright and like neonish. But yeah. So, we're going to first start off with the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. My favorite palette. One of the favorite palettes. Like, this palette is so good. Like, I feel like you could do a lot with it. Not going to lie. See, I told you I'm not organized. Look at me. Even putting a problem on. I'll put a problem on in a second. But where's the brush that I want to use to blend? See? Can't get it together today, y'all. Can't. Alright, so we're going to go in with Burkina. I guess that's her name. It's this shade right here. Can y'all see that? So that's for my brush in it. We're going to use this for transition. Alright, so now taking that too far up. Can y'all see it? Is she doing justice for y'all? I feel like my light be... see, that be washing me out. So I feel like I have to go dark for y'all. For y'all to see, but... Because this light be making me look washed out. We're just going to put it right there. It's like in between, but like, can you see that? Okay. So yeah. Then... we're going to go ahead and pack on. We're going to go ahead and pack on some Zulu. That's this one back here. Right here. It's like that burnt orange shade. We're going to go ahead and do her. That in. And I'm just packing this in right here. Then we're going to take her up. And I learned by this makeup artist. the lady that was doing her makeup for the wedding, she was like a MAC. She was an assistant manager at MAC, or assistant general manager, something like that. And I realized that she was not blending like how we blend, like how most people blend. She tapped a lot. So, you know, of course, me, being me, asking 1,000 questions. I asked her, I said, well, you know, I noticed that you're like patting, you're not like blending, you're like tapping it. And I said, why do you do that? She said, so I don't lose color. She said, I pat it in there because it keeps the color. She said, and then as long as you're doing it swiftly and doing it evenly, she said, it's going to blend out. Which it does. It's doing that. And then if you want to like bring it up, that's when you want to fade it out, when you want to lose color. Now, because I want that burnt, I'm going to go up towards right here. With a good stencil brush, whatever brush you like blending with. And then we'll flick it out a little bit right here. Now let's, the double brush, I'm going to use the flat side. Well, sorry, I'm going to use the fluffy side. And I think I'm just going to pack that in right here. Bring it a little bit in my crease, just so it's not so harsh. Now we'll go ahead with the paint pot, because we'll put our lighter shades on top of this and it'll really get the blending it out. I'm gonna go cut the crease. And I'm going to take the next, I'm going to take this pink shade and literally like tap it on like that. Alright, so this pink is the pink I used right there. And this is the NYX Ultimate palette. This is one of their color palettes. And at first when I bought this palette, I hated it. Because I'm like, the color payoff is horrible. But that's because I didn't have a good base. So get you a paint pot. I got soft ochre prolonged layer. And now I'm going to go in with this like green color. No, I'll take it back. I think I'm going to go in and put a little bit purple in. Then do the green. Yeah, so let's try that. So pack that on my brush, and again, tap, tap. And I'm putting it a little bit over the pink so that it blends together. And I will say this paint pot is helping a whole lot. Y'all, I'm gonna put this green on my inner corner. Am I loving this? I don't know. Alright, clean it off. And again, go back in. Try to blend them out as much as possible. So maybe if you lose some, just go back in, add it back. That's why I try to overlap them so it's automatically. I don't know if I love this. I don't know. See, this green's still not doing. See, it was doing what it was doing to me the first time when I first started using this palette. You might like it. So I like using the NYX Angel Veil primer. Move on to the face. I do got a good yellow. Maybe. Alright. What I'm doing, y'all. I know y'all probably like, we over her. I'm gonna cover up this green because I'm not feeling it. I'm gonna put this golden right there. Oh yeah. And then that did it. This definitely did it. A dome head brush. And we're just patting. This is how you get your foundation to look like skin. And I also showed, like if you hold your brush at the end, it gives you a lot of flicker. And what I'm doing is I'm not swiping, I'm literally patting. Color medium. It's got C12, I guess is the color. And this is just kind of tan some things up. And then like, shimmer in it of some sort, I don't know. But when I say it just soaks into my skin. They're satin pattern too because it like soaks into the skin. It does make it feel cakey. Like I don't feel like nothing's right there right now. Like one time I almost forgot I had it in the bacon. Just going in, bronze my face with whatever you like, whatever's your favorite. I'm currently using NW45 Skin Finish Studio Fix Studio Fix powder. Favorite one to use for a powder is it's easy to wipe away. It doesn't leave like, not some setting powders are hard to wipe away when you're doing this. This one, no. Like y'all see in a second, it just they do. Like I'm a makeup lover at all. I sell Mary Kay, but I don't use everything of theirs. Honestly, because I just started and I really don't know how I feel about it, especially when it comes to shadows, because as y'all can see, I like a good bright shadow. It really did make a difference. You probably can't really tell, but I think for pictures it's gonna make it like pop. And then you go in with some glitter. This is just like the Revlon. And I think I'm gonna just dab it. So I don't crease, because one thing about this, that's why I don't really like using liquid glitter. I went in with the Dalla color and I'm going in with the mauve as well in the Juvia's Place palette. I want to do a green and blue under here. I'm not pinning it on my waterline, but I'm pinning it like right there. But not least, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Glow. And just swirl her in there. Look at that. It's wet. I take whatever's left and just put it on the front of my cheeks. So, looks like that. Liquid lip. And she's there. Just so you know she's there. And you know she is snatched. I feel like I look like a little Bratz doll. Okay, I don't think I like this thing right here. That's why I don't make videos all the time. If I'm not inspired, you're not getting a video from me. I'm just supposed to be real. You're not. You're not, sis. You're not. You're not. You're not. This is my best attempt of this look. So yeah. I feel like, I don't know. Just comment below.